All right, today we're going to talk about a problem that quietly costs businesses millions and millions of dollars every single year, sending money across borders. But we're not just going to talk about the problem, we're going to look at a powerful solution that is, well, it's completely changing the game.
So let me just ask you this, especially if you're running a business with international partners. Do you actually know how much money you're losing just by moving your own cash around? I think the answer might honestly shock you.
What if I told you that for a totally normal, medium-sized company, we could be talking about $500,000 a year? That's not new revenue, that's pure savings, money you're getting back from a system that is just long overdue for an upgrade. And this isn't some made-up number, it's a very real opportunity.
Okay, let's dive into this. Because to really understand the opportunity, you first have to understand the problem. And that all starts with the hidden and, the not-so-hidden costs of the old way of doing things.
This is where it gets real. Just think about this for a second. A company moving, say, $2 million abroad every month, which is pretty common for any business with a global supply chain, is losing $40,000 to $60,000 every single month. That's just friction. That's the cost of moving money. And this isn't just one big fee, right? It's more like a death by 1,000 cuts, all built into a financial system that is, at its core, fundamentally slow and expensive. Let's break down exactly what that looks like.
This table just lays it out so clearly. First, the delay. Your money is basically in limbo for 2 to 5 business days. Second, the cost. When you add up all the different fees, the currency exchange spreads, the SWIFT fees, the bank charges, you're losing 2 to 3% of the entire value. And third, liquidity. While your money's traveling, it's totally frozen. It's your capital, but you can't even use it.
So, okay, if that's the old, broken system, what's the modern alternative? Well, this is where stablecoins come into the picture, and they offer a direct fix for all of these problems. Now, forget all the complicated crypto stuff for just a minute. For the world of business, a regulated stablecoin is actually incredibly simple. Think of it as a digital dollar or a digital euro that just moves on new, super efficient rails. The key here is that it combines the stability of the money we use every day with the speed of modern technology. And the impact is just, wow, it's immediate and it's dramatic. Just look at this comparison. We go from a cost of up to 3% on a single transfer all the way down to less than 0.2%. The visual really says it all. One system is a massive cost, the other is nearly frictionless.
And it's not just about the money you save. It's about the time. Your money is no longer trapped for days in some ancient banking system. Settlement happens in minutes. This means your working capital is freed up, it's available for you to use almost instantly.
But here's the thing. The real story here is that this technology does so much more than just save you money and time. It fundamentally improves how your business actually operates. It's about moving past just savings and into a real strategic advantage.
So here are the 3 major operational upgrades. 1, you are no longer limited by banking hours. You can send and receive money 24/7, 365 days a year. 2, every single transaction is transparent and you can trace it, which completely eliminates that, where's my money problem. And 3, reconciliation just becomes incredibly simple, which streamlines your whole accounting process.
So when you put all of this together, a whole new picture emerges. This isn't just about small improvements here and there. It's a fundamental strategic shift. Adopting this isn't about speculating on crypto. It's about upgrading your company's core financial engine.
And that really brings us to the core message. And this quote just nails it. For businesses managing global supply chains or running online marketplaces, adopting stablecoins isn't a crypto bet. It's an operational upgrade. It's about choosing efficiency, liquidity, and speed. It's as simple as that.
Which kind of leaves us with one final question. The technology to run a faster, cheaper, and more efficient global treasury isn't on the horizon. It's here today. So the only real question left is your business ready for it?